Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Fade in text. How do we do it? I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? There are two ways I'm going to show you today, okay? You have the really boring, easy one, use the text effects, blah, 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 okay? Video transitions, dissolve, let's do cross dissolve, for example, okay? Just drag and drop it onto your text. Let's see. Oh, look, it fades in, okay? Great, well done, you took the easy way out. If you want to do it manually, this is how you do it, okay? Press your text, effect controls, and you will see you have the opacity, okay? It's just here, opacity. So let's bring this timeline to the beginning of the text and change that to 0, okay? It's at 0, and let's press that stopwatch. You suddenly have a keyframe, okay, where it's at 0. Then go to a random point in the timeline where you want it to be clearly visible, okay? You want it to be 100. Move to that point, add another keyframe which says 100, and then just play the video. That's how you fade in text in Premiere Pro, okay? And you know what? I'll even add another one. Before you go, if you want to fade out text, you do that, but you swap the keyframes around. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.